Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious fish stew. This is the best fish stew I have tasted, guys. This is so good, so yummy, so delicious. You will love this. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Don't forget to share and comment, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, my OGs, thank you for always coming back to support a girl. May God bless you all. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So guys, here are my ingredients for this delicious fish stew. So here I have my fish. I've already grilled the fish, okay? I roasted this fish myself. I just seasoned it with just salt and then put it in my air fryer. And here I have my chopped onions. I'm using curry leaf. So here is my pepper mix. This is pepper, bawa, tatashi and fresh tomatoes. I first boiled it, okay, until the water dries up, and then I went ahead to blend. I'm not using tomato paste. I'm just using this. So to make this stew, I'm going to be heating up my oil in a dried pot. Once the oil is hot, I will add in my onions, and then I will go in with some curry powder and thyme. I'm not adding ginger and garlic because ginger and garlic is already in my pepper mix, so I'm not going to add it. I'm going to stir this and allow it to fry for about 3 minutes. Three minutes later, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. Guys, I'm not using tomato paste. I'm using just this. So like I said, I have pepper, I have bawa, tatashi, fresh tomatoes, garlic and ginger. I also added onions, okay? I boiled them and then I blend. I have a recipe where I make my jollof mix. So this is actually a jollof mix. You can use this for your jollof rice, for your stew, for your pasta. It's just a multi-purpose mix. Okay, so I just added in my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir now. I will cover and allow this to fry. Guys, are you team boil your pepper mix or team roast your pepper mix? Let me know in the comment section. I'm team boil my pepper mix. So guys, our stew has fried for some time now. I'm just going to add in my chicken stock. I have chicken stock in the fridge, so I'm going to be adding it in. I know we are making fish stew, but yeah, I'm going to be adding in the chicken stock, okay? So I'll be adding in water. This water, okay, I use water to rinse my blender, and I'll be adding it in the soup. I'm going to stir now and check if I need to add in more water. The stew is still thick. I don't like thick stews, okay? It's not like it's going to be runny, but then just going to be okay. I'm going to add in just a little water to loosen it a bit. Then I'm going to stir, okay? I'm going to stir this, cover the pot and allow this to boil. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please help me to subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked this video at this point, please like the video and also help me to share the video, okay? Guys, if you see the aroma in this kitchen, like I wish you guys can perceive the aroma in this kitchen. God, this stew is heavenly. So now I'm going to stir and I'll be testing for salt, okay? I added in seasoning cube and also my stock, okay? My stock was well seasoned, so I'm going to be testing for salt to check if I need to adjust my seasoning. So I tested for salt and it was okay. There was no need for me to add in any more seasoning. I'm just going to add in my fish now. The fish, I seasoned the fish too with salt. Just and then I will gently stir because I don't want to scatter or break the fish. I'm just going to stir gently. I will cover and allow it to cook for few more minutes. So guys, at this point the stew is ready. You can choose to eat it like this or you can add your vegetable to it, but no, I'm not done yet. I'm going to be adding in my curry leaf now, okay? Look how yummy and delicious this stew is looking like. Guys, let me know, will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. So now I'm just going to add in my curry leaf. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook for 2 minutes, okay? And 2 minutes later, here is what we have. Our yummy and delicious stew is ready. Guys, hope you be trying out this recipe. This is so good, so yummy, so delicious. You see how thick the stew is, and you see how red the stew is pumping. I didn't even use tomato paste to prepare this too. This is just fresh tomatoes, guys. You need to try this recipe. This is so good. You are going to love it. Look how delicious, how yummy this stew is looking like. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.